Hi guys, so today is the 25th of July 2023 and I was literally on my way to the salon to get a haircut done because I'm leaving for vacation next week. While I was going in the auto in the morning, I got a double notification and I was like, okay, I was very nervous and I was like, you know what, okay, I know this is my admission results, and I just opened it in the auto and you have received a conditional offer for the place at University of Queensland. So basically a conditional offer letter means I have to submit certain documents, and I hadn't submitted my provisional degree because I didn't get it in the month of June, but now I have it because I went to college like last week, 10 days back, and I have my provisional degree. So once I submit that and they go through it, they will send me an unconditional offer letter. I'm excited. Good morning, good afternoon. Shalu, will you cry when I go?
காசு ஒரு பாட்டில் லிசனிங் ஸ்பான்சர் பண்ணலாம்.
ஓகே, வாங்கிட்டு வரேன். அப்பயாவது கொஞ்சம் அலற மாதிரி நடி. last collaboration that I'll be doing in Chennai. Ritika and I are doing like a Valentine's Day campaign, and I'm going to this place called Pansos Poetry for it. So yeah, that's why I'm dressed like a cupid basically. One last collaboration thing done. So yeah, I'm going for it, and I'll like give you like sneak peek or something like that. I was like right now leaving, and Varshini sent me a cute bento cake. Okay, just look here. Thank you, Vash. It was also matching my outfit right now, so very cute. Only take like clothes in this, and I have to like get this done in courier. But so initially all the ones in the box were also a part of my suitcase, and that was like coming around like 34 kgs. I shouldn't pack my whole wardrobe. It is so hard. It's so freaking hard. So now I have to like check the weight for this and then vacuum pack it. Guys, in exactly 24 hours, I'll be leaving to the airport. I'm actually done with packing. I just have very little bit stuff to keep inside. And then tomorrow before I leave, I have to get my laptop, all that inside. And that is pretty much. So I have like a bunch of stuff that I'm giving away to Aishu. Like there's so much of products. Oh my God, like, let me just show you. There's so much stuff inside this. There's like a bunch of makeup, serums, there's hand cream. And then over here, there's some body lotions. I still have a lot more to give. Most of these are sent by brands to me, and the annoying part is I'm almost done with all of them. So there's like sample amount of product in most of these. Like 50% of this has sample amount of product, and fortunately I cannot take it because there's no more space, no more, I cannot just take any more weight. It's all exact, or like just a few grams here and there. But Shalu said that she will try out everything and then throw it away, because there's like 1 or 2 uses left in all of this, almost everything. So yeah, I'm kind of sad like that I couldn't finish all these, but I'm glad that at least she would get to use it. I threw away so many of my expired products also. That's another thing. Yeah, so pretty much my whole skincare shelf over there is completely empty because I've given almost everything away to her. It's kind of still not hit me though, like that I'm leaving. I don't know what to say about it. Honestly, now I feel like I'm like missing out on everything. Like pack பண்ணதுல ஏதோ மிஸ் பண்ணிட்டேனோ அப்படின்னு ஒரு மாதிரி டெலுலுவா இருக்கு. Hi, Shalu.
VLLO movie, sir.
Hello. Hi guys, so it's the next day. I could not film last night because the moment I reached, I was constantly on call, talking to my mom, talking to my friends, giving them updates, and I also had to take some stuff out. Just keep it over here, but I haven't arranged my room. Like, this is like a sneak peek of the room. Yeah, that's Pingu over there. So anyway, I haven't arranged the room yet, and I'm pretty sure that's gonna take some time, but I want to film that for you guys along with like the first week of my college. So you'll be seeing that next week mostly, but I'm so glad I made it and I really love the room. I haven't really explored the city yet. I came in the dark yesterday, so I'm not able to figure out how exactly this city looks, but yeah, I'll give you updates on all of that in the future vlogs. So thank you so much for coming on this journey with me, and if you've been following me ever since my dental school, this is like a huge change for me. I don't know, I'm okay now, so you'll be seeing in future vlogs on how everything goes. But yeah, thank you so much for following me, being there through this journey. I'll see you in my next video.